If you are following my adventures in Taiwan, then you know that I went to Shin Orchids, and while I was there, I got to see their huge collection of Asian Cymbidiums, and I picked out 4 of them. And because it got warm and then it got cold, and it's been very cold, I asked for my Cymbidiums to be sent in conjunction with the SIPA show in Philadelphia. So that show is this weekend, and my orchids were shipped from California, and I'm going to unbox them and see how they look. They came U.S. Postal Service. I haven't seen these in over a month. I picked them out mid-February. Here they are. They look amazing. They have little stickers on them to say what they are. Oh, and tags. They are tagged now. So if you remember when I was picking them out, the lady at Shin who does the Cymbidiums, she just knew them all memorized. So I was just picking them up and she was telling me what they were. 曙光叶. So this is 四季兰, which is Cymbidium encephalium. So this is 包穗兰, which is actually Cymbidium sinensis. And so if I said it was encephalium earlier, I'm just wrong. And so now I have tags in English that I can read. So this is Cymbidium sinensis, 双栖大熊. There's 5. I thought I only picked out 4. Okay, I got a Cymbidium encephalium, 天上苏星. This is a Cymbidium encephalium, 沙漠金. This is Cymbidium encephalium, 白梁. We'll have to go back through and see if I said any of these names when I was picking them out in Taiwan. This is Cymbidium sinensis, 床栖大熊. Oh, maybe I have 2 of them. Maybe they divided one of these into 2 packages. That's why it looks like it's more. Yes. So these are the same thing. That's why there's more packages. Because I picked them out by pots. There's another 沙漠金. So that's, and then this is a 天神属金right here. So I'm probably, even though these are individually packaged, going to put them back together the way they were in those pots. So I guess I could do them separately. Look at the new growths on these. I picked these for like their new growths. They look gorgeous. They look much better than the ones that I currently have, which all have quite a bit of spotting on the leaves, and I am going to try my best to keep them this beautiful. So apparently if you get spotting on them, the only way to stop the spotting is to rip the leaf off. And that just breaks me to think that that's how you're supposed to deal with it. But I will try my best.